I'm Stuart Platt, I'm Operations Manager at MPK Garages. We're at James Bridge today in Wednesbury, one of 27 that we operate across the country, all featuring Lavazza on the move. We decided to move from a supplier that we'd had for 10 years because we were looking for a trusted brand, something that would make us a destination for coffee. Since we've switched to Lavazza on the move, we've seen an increase in cups per day. The point of sale that Lavazza provided has definitely got an impact with customers. They recognise that branding, and it really partners well with the Co-op Blue. We've retained the customers that we had previously, but we've also pulled some new customers in off the roadside, which was key to what we were trying to achieve. Lavazza is obviously a premium brand. It tastes like a barista coffee, and it's driving a customer perception that what we offer in store is quality, and that is tempting them into purchasing hot food, pastries. It's getting them to purchase snacks that we have alongside it because they have some trust now in the offering. We had a very clear plan with a rollout that was provided by Lavazza with dates for installs. They were all met. We had no issues with installs. Cleaning the machines on a day-to-day basis is really straightforward. We had in-store trainers from Lavazza visit who went through all the steps with colleagues, the step-by-steps on the screen, the support provided by Lavazza on the move, whether that be from the key account manager, whether that be the automatic ordering, whether that be the support that the store managers are receiving with any minor issues. It's been second to none. What I would say to another operator looking to change coffee provider, even if you've been with them for 10 years like we have, is that look around. Lavazza on the move gives us a much better product, much better branding, and it is driving an increase in basket spend and customer spend. And we haven't looked back since we've changed.